Now in this exercise too, I want to create multiple users using bulk import. So I want to create now. I'm going to tell you that suppose you have five users, if you want to create any users, we need to have at least these attributes: first name, last name, email ID, username should be there. With that, I want to create a 10 users. So now I'm going to show that using ChatGPT, how do you can create with this headings. I want to create 10 users. So I'm clicking here and I'm giving here and say with these fields, create one, sample file, sample CSV file to create Okta users. So now we are going to get the sample file data also. So I got this thing. I'm going to keep in the notepad. I'm going to keep in the notepad specified here. I got the first name, last name, email ID, and username. And now here, this is what I'm saying here. And I'm going to keep users here. And Okta users are there. Okta users dot CSV is there. So this is the users. So I got the file, right? Now next is how to create a bulk users. So to create a bulk users, what I am coming here and I clicked on here. First step number one, you have to log in admin mode. And once you logged in here, and you can click on the people and click on here more import users from CSV. And if you want to have the template, you can get the template here also. So this guy is going to say, give me all the fields. So if I open it, it's going to show me around 32 fields. Okay, this like this is going to be giving first field. And I think I need to give this headings. So I want to give the headings properly, otherwise it will give error. My file should have first name should be this value. This is a standard template. So I want me to show you that. So I don't want to show errors first, and let me keep it here. And I kept here, and email ID is there. I need to keep this kind of parameter. I'm specifying this email ID and login name. Okay, I specified here. And after that, what I'm going to say this style, and I'm clicking this file location full path, and I clicked here, and I'm specifying the file, this thing, and I'm clicking this upload CSV file, and automatically activate new users is there, and don't create a password, only allow login via identity provider is there. But now I wanted to create a user, so I clicked on here and it is showing me 5 users with errors. Okay, if it is successfully created, it might have shown you. Okay, and let me see what is the error. I clicked on here and it is going to show me uh, what exactly, why it is throwing errors. Everything is going to show me. And so here, what I specified here, username should be, which is the login, is that right? And the login I kept is like this. So you should keep login value as an email ID because that is the guy, this is the mail ID they are going to use into the system. So now what I'm modifying this thing. So whenever you want to create a user should be always email ID because they are going to use Users are going to use this mail ID only to log into the system. So I'm clicking here and I specified here and I specified here and I'm clicking here and here what I'm going to move on to the import more actions and click on this place and specifying the file path and upload the users I'm doing here. Once it's done, it is going to create users into the system and I click done here, import users, and as soon as it's done, it is going to create all four users and it is showing me pending user action. Probably it will send a mail to them and that is the reason. Not probably, it has sent a mail to them like how you have seen. The same, it is waiting for confirmation from them. So now you have seen how to import users, bulk users. So you have seen how to create a new user also. Okay, and now we are going. I'll be showing you multiple options. How, yeah, there are multiple options is there that I'm going to show.